Just one more email.
Yes. Level up. I am the king. Look at this, Dad.
Uh-huh, very nice, Leo.
Thomas, do you like this coffee table? It's 50% off.
Die, monster, die! Wow, so cheap.
Server is crashing! Huh?
What happened?
The power is out! My laptop is dead too.
What happened?
Is it a blackout?
Let me check.
No, no, no! My code! I didn't save it!
Oh, great. My shopping cart is completely gone.
Dad! My game stopped. It says offline.
Sarah, where is the big flashlight?
In the drawer, I think.
Ouch! My toe! Everything is so dark!
I'm so bored, Mom. Me too, sweetie. Me too.
Let there be light.
Look, Leo. It's like a campfire. Wow. Pretty. Hey, look! A shadow bird on the wall.
Let's see. What do we have in here? Aha! Found it! This will save our night.
What is that, Mom? Does it have batteries? No batteries needed, Leo.
Count me in. I used to love this.
Wow, it has real money.
So, you roll the dice.
And move your token here.
Okay, I get it. Here we go. Big numbers.
Ooh, a 6. Nice roll. My turn. Come on, lucky 7.
Move it 7 spaces, buddy. My dad and I used to play this every Sunday.
Really? Every Sunday?
And my sister always tried to steal my fake money.
That sounds like her.
Tell me more stories. This is fun. And then...
The dog ate the dice.
No way!
It's true. You know, when I was your age, Leo. Wait.
You had no cat? You had no internet at all?
Nope. We built a big wooden treehouse instead.
A real treehouse?
And we rode our bicycles until the stars came out.
That sounds way better than staring at a tiny phone screen.
It really was, son.
And we can do it together now.
Tell me about the camping trip next.
Deal. Tomorrow night. Yes, tomorrow. Look, Mom. It's completely asleep.
Listen,
The lasting eit mean tireman.
the rain sounds so peaceful. It really does.
Dad, what time is it now?
No idea, Leo. And it doesn't matter.
Can you hear the candles crackle? Yes. It sounds like a tiny fire.
No phone pings, no emails, just us. It feels good.
I forgot how wonderful this silence could be.
I love our offline nights, Mom, Dad.
We love it too, Leo. Time for a real survival dinner.
Wow, real fire in the kitchen. Can you wash the vegetables, Captain? Yes, Chief. Ready for duty. Look, I'm cooking. It smells so good.
You're a great chef, Leo.
Dinner is served. Handmade with love.
This is the best soup in the whole world.
No smartphone can deliver a soup this delicious.
More carrots, please. Here you go, honey.
Best dinner ever. Come outside, Leo. Look up.
Wow, it's so dark out here.
Look, millions of stars. So beautiful.
The blackout hid the city lights, Leo.
See those 3 bright stars? That is Orion's belt.
Wow, the hunter star? And over there, Leo, how? That looks like a giant spoon.
A spoon for our soup?
Can we go camping next weekend, please?
Absolutely, Captain.
Count me in. I think the sky is much bigger than my small screen.
Good night, my beautiful family.
Good night, Thomas.
Our last candle is getting so small, Mom. But I think this week was the best week ever.
It was for me too, buddy. I learned so much from you.
Let's promise to have an offline night every single week.
Deal. No phones on Friday nights.
That is a promise, son.
We don't need screens to be happy.
I'm ready for tomorrow, Dad.
Me too, Chef Leo. Me too.
Oh! The lights are back!
Wow, it's so bright.
Listen to all those pings!
My work can wait. This is family time.
No more flash sales for me tonight.
I'm staying offline too. It's my choice.
Look at that. We broke the spell.
Yes, together.
Your turn, Captain Leo. Let's play.
Yes! Watch me roll a double 6. I won! I am the board game champion!
Great job, buddy. You beat us fair and square.
Here is our new family box. Devices go inside. I'll put mine in first.
Locked. Now, the real magic begins.
The brightest light isn't on our screens. It's right here, in our smiles.
We love family time.
Always, Leo. Always.